Let's solve this problem of kinetics. Now, kinetics is just a study of the motion of a body without involving the force that causes the motion. The converse is dynamics, which involves the force that causes the motion. Okay. The body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 5 meters per second squared until it attains a velocity of 25 meters per second. Calculate the time taken to attain the speed. Okay. What we do, let's list out the parameters. Okay, the parameters are when the body starts from rest, its initial velocity is 0. The acceleration is 5 meters per second squared. Okay. And it attains a speed of v, with final velocity, is 25 meters per second. Calculate the time taken to attain the speed s, t. We don't. Okay, I was supposed to calculate. Now, in kinetics, basically we have 4 equations. Usually that's what I teach my students. And there are basically 5 parameters in kinetics. I call them VOTs. So V is final velocity or final speed, depending on whether you are considering vector or scalar quantities. Vector or scalar quantity. Now, A is acceleration, U is initial speed or initial velocity, T is time, X is distance to displacement. Now, in kinetics, we have basically 4 equations, U plus AT. Now we have V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. You have equals UT plus half AT squared. And we have distance is average speed multiplied by time. Okay. Now, if you look at these equations, these four equations, each of these equations doesn't have a parameter of the 5 parameters. Number 1 does not have s. You see that this displacement or distance is not featuring here. Number 2 doesn't have time. Number 4 doesn't have final velocity or speed. Number 5, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4 in that order. This one doesn't have acceleration. So if you are given a question to solve, a problem to solve, a question to answer, if you look at the parameter, if it doesn't have v, this one doesn't have s, it doesn't have displacement at this time, look at the appropriate equation to use. If it doesn't have t, this is the equation to use. If, like I've listed these ones, if it doesn't have v, this is the equation to use. And if it doesn't have a, this is the equation to use. In this problem we are solving now, initial velocity is 0, acceleration is 5 meters per second squared, final velocity is 25 meters per second, time we're supposed to calculate. So it doesn't have s. So the equation doesn't have s is equation 1. So we are going to use v equals u plus 80 to solve it. Okay, so v, which is 25, equals 0 plus a, 5 times t, 5t. And so we have t equals 25 over 5. T gives us 5 seconds.